Hello guys, in this video I will address how to do the import and output for the flying controller configuration file. So suppose in this video, suppose you have one drone that working properly with your customized setting on the flight control, and now you are buying a new Eagle Brothers Spring drone and you're asking, can I just import the current drone? I want to import the configuration from the current drone to a new drone so that the two drones can just work in as the same. So what you want to do is just copy the configuration file from your current drone and you can import to a new drone. It's extremely easy. So firstly, is just connect the drone with a USB cable to your computer, then plug in a battery, and you will see the drone will appear as a USB storage space. So open this space, and you will find some CFG file. So last time we copied a log file, and this time we want to find the specific CFG file. To decide which CFG file to copy, it depending, you can asking your after-sales service people, and they will tell you which file will be the right configuration file. So the V02-M is the version number of the flying controller. So you want to copy this file to the desktop for the later use, and then you can open and create a new folder and name it as whatever you like, and you can put this file into it for later use because this is the file you will use to import to the new drone. And then we unplug the USB cable and unplug the battery. And now we have a new drone. We want to import the old configuration file into it. It's the same. We still connect the new drone to the computer by the USB cable, and then pull in the battery and open it up, open the storage space of this new drone, and you will see the different file in it. And what you want to do is just copy the file, just copy from the old drone to the new one. Just overwrite the current configuration file in the new drone, and then the new drone will be using the configuration file that you copied, and it will behave just exactly like your previous drone. So here we want to replace it. We want to overwrite the old file, and now it's pretty much finished. And just unplug, eject the storage space, and disconnect the cable and disconnect the battery. And here we go, you are ready to go.